Meanwhile, Senator Panfilo Lacson drops a bombshell in the Senate plenary. He exposed what he called a pattern of corruption in multi-million peso flood control projects nationwide, from alleged ghost projects to fund diversions. Lacson laid bare how portions of project budgets are carved and divvied up among officials and contractors. Daniel Manalastas reports.
Last week, the President took aim. Today, I am pulling the trigger.
Senator Panfilo Lacson, known for his exposés, has done it again as he revealed alleged system on alleged anomalous flood control projects. He started his privileged speech by revealing how the conspirators involved operate.
8 to 10% para sa mga opisyal ng DPWH. Swerte na daw kung pumayag ang district engineer na 6% lamang ang parte niya. 5 to 6% para sa mga miyembro ng Beach and Awards Committee or BAC. 0.5 to 1% para sa COA. Passing through or parking fee na aabot sa katumbas na 5 to 6% ng pondo. 20 to 25% ang karaniwang napupunta sa funder o project proponent na politiko.
Lacson said these are all based on several data and information, but he clarified that these are not the representation of all systems in the flood control projects all throughout the country. Lacson even revealed some questionable projects in some provinces in the country.
We discovered a congressional representative showcasing his midterm accomplishment report covering the period from June 30, 2022 to December 31, 2023. He openly lists projects, hold your breath, funded by his office. Isa pa sa pinagmamalaki ng mapag-angking congressman ay ang flood control structure sa Butas River. Ano kaya ang taglay na agimat ni congressman? Kung saan may multimillion projects, dumadapo ang agila. Pero lubog pa rin sa baha ang nadadapuan ng agila.
But based on his investigation, the most notorious are those in
ang lalawigan ng Bulacan, na aming maituturing na pinaka-notorious pagdating sa anomalya ng flood control projects.
He also discovered that some alleged ghost projects are seemingly being concealed through a cover-up.
Gusto po ba ninyo makita ang itsura ng isang 77.199 million pesos worth na riverbank protection structure? Tingnan po natin. Nasaan na nga ba? Ewan ko, Mr. President, dahil wala tayong makita. Hello, Darcy. Ang Ana and Ana, nasaan ng flood control?
And some patterns.
Makikita natin ang iisang pattern ng mga proyektong guni-guni ng Darcy and Ana at Wawaw Builders sa Barangay Carillo, Abulalas, Iba, at San Nicolas, First Engineering District ng Bulacan. Pare-parehong contract price, 77.199 million pesos. Pare-parehong riverbank protection structure, pare-parehong guni-guni.
It is expected next week that the interpellations will continue. Some senators meanwhile expressed support to Lacson's speech. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.